Or, well,
CSX03?
whatever it is, it's still a different one. I thought that was the same one blowing for the crossing.
Buffalo.
No. Buffalo's still not going to be here for
MD 2020.
I think that might be the same train we caught last weekend. The ethanol train. If you want to start walking, I'll meet you back. I'm going to finish recording. That actually caught me off guard. I didn't know what was coming or not. Well, we've got 3 in about an hour, so I think we're pretty good. I do like this new spot though. It's good for wallpapers. So it's a bit of a walk, as you guys can see. The guys all walking. There's my grandpa and then Bill, Mike, and Rob. Once it gets warmer, I'll probably be down here majority of the time because I like how you guys are. If you guys watch my other video, you'll see we get the Demilto and then you get all the other scrap yards and stuff, as well as the water tower and whatnot.